Hey traders, John Howell here. So this is the beginning of the start and this is the beginning of the end. Let me actually, I hope I got that right anyway. So let's get straight into what I'm trying to say here. Let's get straight into today's video. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty traders, I'm running a webinar today. If you need some help with your trading, I'm actually going to be teaching you all the details to my trading system, but I'm also going to be teaching you exactly what I did to have to go. I was $250,000 in debt at one time, and I was almost about to quit trading. It was my first 5 years trading, and I almost gave up because I tried so many different things and almost gave up. But I'm very, very thankful to have some mentors really guide me and help me to get out of that hole and actually start to do really well from trading. And so I'm also going to be teaching you that as well. So I'm going to teach you my strategy, my number one trading strategy. I'm going to teach you what I did there. I'm going to teach you how I scan to find these powerful trades as well. So I'm going to teach you all that for free, guys, on that webinar. So guys, that first link in the description there, click on that and go register for my next webinar and I'll see you on there. So let's actually start here. So this is the beginning of the end and this is the beginning of the start. Or this is the start of the beginning. Anyway, the beginning of the end. Okay, let's actually start with that one there. The beginning of the end is that, and I just did a session with my private clients recently, right? And I was talking to them about what's going on right now with the markets. And if you know, well, the beginning of the end is what's happening here right now in the stock market, right? Because if you, and one thing that happens with these markets is we go through different phases, right? We go through an up phase, we go through down phases. This is the beginning of the end. The beginning of the end, and maybe I told you that in the video, right? The beginning of the end. The beginning of the end is this. Up, 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 right? The beginning of the end is what? This is the end bit here. This, and I believe this here is getting towards the beginning of the end of at least this move up. But this is where I want you to get really excited, okay? This is the first bit of this video is all about the beginning of the end, but the beginning of something amazing. It's like, what? What are you talking about, John? The beginning of the end is this what I'm talking about here right now. The beginning of something amazing. I'm going to talk to you about that. So the first bit here, the beginning of the end, is that this strong move up we've been for a while is going to come to an end. Now, I know I'm going to get some people in the comment section below that say, John, you're a talking head. You keep saying the market's going to go down and it never goes down. Well, newsflash, look at the way the market works over hundreds of years. And we do what? We go up for a while. We might go sideways. We go up for a while. We get a pullback. You get that right, guys? You get that right. This is the cycle of just markets, right? It's like, hey, this is the way Mr. Market works, okay? So if you've got call options right now, hoping and praying for that move up, because David Hunter said we're going to 7,000. Trust me, guys, I've been there. I've done that. Like, right? The beginning of the end is that this is here. So, but when it comes to this bit here, the beginning of the end, the beginning of the end is that we're probably likely to start to see something like this. Bam, 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 bam. Like that. Bam, bam, right? All the way down. That's the beginning of the end. But when it comes to this here, I honestly believe, guys, that this is actually going to be a good thing. Because as this is coming down through here, guess what's going to happen? And I was doing a session with my clients today. As this market starts to come down through here, all through here, a good, say, 8 to 10% pullback or drop in the markets is going to be one, healthy. Two, there's going to be so much negativity out there in the marketplace. So much negativity, so much fear, so much doubt, right? All the We're about to get all that sort of stuff through there. The big thing here is that I honestly believe, guys, as this market's pulling back, as we're starting to get a bit of drop in the market, and it will happen, okay? If you guys say, no, it's not going to happen, like, guys, come on. Show me ever in history the market just keeps going up and up and up. And by the way, guys, if the market does keep going up and up and up and up, guess what? It's actually called a bubble, right? Even back in 2020, look at this back here. Look at this here. We even went up, and then we had what? A pullback. Now, by the way, that doesn't look like much, but that pullback there was what? That was a 10%. That's 10%. So from the high to low, we actually had a 10% pullback. Then guess what happened? Oh, we went up. And then we had what? Oh, we had a real good pullback. Up. And there you go. And up. All right, away we go again, okay? Now, yes, I know I'm making fun of this and so on and so forth, but what I'm trying to say here, guys, is I honestly believe that this pullback here is going to create this whole level through here, this 36,000 level, is going to be one cracker of an opportunity. Because then I see an incredible move coming, guys. An incredible move. I really do see an incredible move coming. So get ready, 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 get ready. Right? Get ready. Because it's coming. Now, by the way, guys, this is me just talking about the actual markets itself. Right? I'm actually in trades right now that are very high probability, high quality trades. And by the way, I'm actually in 4 trades right now. Yesterday I was in 3 trades. And someone said on my YouTube video, John, you're full of shit. You're not in these trades. I'm like, you do realize that I have part of my coaching program is 1, I have a coaching program, but 2, I actually do this stuff live in front of a small group every day. It's actually about like 10 to 15 people every single day. So you realize that people say, oh, John, you're full of shit. You didn't get into these trades. I'm like, I actually get it. I actually do this stuff when I'm getting into trades and getting out of the trades, and what I'm doing, I'm actually doing this live every day in front of people. It's like, so you may be thinking I'm full of shit, but every day when I'm trading, I'm doing this live. If you would like to join that program and get help with that, then just email me at haltrader@gmail.com, haltrader@gmail.com, and then I'll see if I can help you out there. But if you'd like to get access to more of that sort of coaching side of things, where you're with me every day and you're seeing what I'm doing every single day, then yeah, I may be able to help you out with that. So again, just email me at Hal, my last name, HOWELL, haltrader@gmail.com, and I'll be able to see if I can maybe, and then I'll schedule a call with you and I'll see if I can help you out or not. So, but the purpose of me saying this, guys, is that 1, I do this live every day. Secondly, there's a guy comment saying that I was full of crap. I'm like, again, I do this live every single. People see the trades I'm taking live every day. When I say I'm getting trade right now, so when I do have a loss, when I do have a profit, when I'm holding on, all that sort of stuff. The purpose of me saying that is I'm in 4 trades right now, and the purpose of me saying that is I'm in 2 bullish trades, and now I'm in 2 bearish trades. By the way, the bearish trade I'm in, one of the bearish trades I'm in right now, I've been in now for a couple of weeks, and it's in a really, really, really nice profit using options, right? So again, I do this. I'm a full-time trader, guys. I trade every single day. And again, some of you guys think I'm full of crap. Again, I do this. I have a real small group of 10 to 15 people every single day that joins me, and they see what I'm doing every day in the market. So, but the purpose of me saying what I'm saying here, guys, is that this is what's happening here in the marketplace, right? This is what's happening here in the markets. But there's amazing opportunities that still are bullish, right? There's bullish setups right now that still are amazing setups in the actual stock market, in the actual stocks, right? And there's good setups for bearish sides. And again, on that webinar, first thing in the description there, guys, when you go join the webinar, I'll teach you the setup. So even though the Dow Jones is doing this here, and I'm expecting a drop in the Dow Jones, I'm actually in 2 stocks right now because there's a high probability of actually going up. Amazing, amazing, amazing stuff, okay? So there we go. That's the first bit there. This is the beginning of the end, is the stock market going down, and the whole spell that I just said there about a minute ago about there. Now, the beginning of the end and the beginning of an explosion. And what do I mean by that? I honestly believe gold is one of those things here. Check out this here, right? Check out this, guy. So I want to share something with you here. So let me share this with you here, right? Here's screenshots of different trades I've taken and so on and so forth. And I'm just going to share this with you. Like, I have so many screenshots, guys. And so let me just see. So again, like if you look at all these different screenshots. If I open this right up a bit here, let me open this right up and I scroll right down. Like, look at all these screenshots. There's like, what, 200 here, 218, 219, 220. Right, there's so many different screenshots that I take here. Now, the purpose of me bringing this up here is that something I was just covering a minute ago. One thing I've noticed, guys, right? One thing I've noticed in the markets here, right? And I take screenshots of trades and things I noticed and so on and so forth. I'm always taking screenshots, right? One thing I've noticed, guys, is that different patterns cause different patterns in the markets cause a similar effect in the markets, right? So the different patterns cause similar effect in the markets. Now, what am I saying here? I'm saying here that, let me show you this here. So there's actually, where's that screenshot I want to share with you here for a minute? Because it is coming. It is coming. Don't worry. Yes, actually, I've got some Larry Williams charts here, by the way, as well, too. So Larry Williams is awesome. There's just some more longer term stuff. But it's not got nothing to do with my trading, by the way. But Larry Williams is awesome, I think. I think he's got some pretty good stuff to say. But most of my, 99% of my stuff is my screenshots here. So let me I'm looking for, where's that back here? A minute ago. Back. Here, right? So here, look at this here. Check out this. Look how similar this looks. So this is the Dow Jones to the left, and this is gold to the right. Now, I'm not saying this is definitely going to happen, but how similar does that look? This is when Donald Trump became elected, by the way. How similar is this setup here? The beginning of the end and the beginning of an explosion. Yet again, so the beginning of the end is what? The stock market, right? The beginning of the end is just it's just the market coming down, which will then start and accelerate a super boom in the markets. Super boom, right? So then what do we see through here? Again, this is what trading is all about, right, guys? It's not about being lucky. It's all about just saying, okay, cool. You know, we actually see these patterns, and I see these patterns time and time again. And by the way, guys, traders, remember I said before, one of the trades I'm in right now is actually bullish. I've actually got 2 bullish setups. One of them looks exactly like this here. Exactly like this here. So it has a high probability of doing what? Having a nice move up, right? So look at this here. Both of these, by the way, guys, are weekly charts. Weekly charts, right? So let me see. Can I go to this? Let me from current. Right, cool. These are weekly charts. But the weekly charts, again, when Trump was being elected, look what happens here. This is where it gets so cool, right? So cool, right? Look what we have here. Low, higher low, potential higher low. And we actually, look what happened. We broke out up above this channel, slight little pullback, and then we got this breakup bar, but then we started to see what? This big move to the upside, right? Look what we have here. Oh, low, significant higher low, potentially significant higher low. I'm telling you right now, traders, this is the sleeping giant. And this is a market that I'm watching for, because guess what? I'm like a tiger in the bush. I'm ready to pounce, right? But I'm impatient. It's like you got to be patient. Patient, right? But look at this here. So we got this, now we got what? And then we got this whole breakout. See how it looks really similar, right? Look at this here. Look how similar this is. We have 1, 2, 3 resistance points. 1, 2, 3 resistance points. Then we get the breakout, and then came back down to test the resistance as support. Then we get you see what I'm saying there, right? Now, the hard thing about this, guys, is that we don't know if it's definitely going to go up, okay? What we need to see is see this large bar here? See how we've got this sort of large bar breaking out? We need that through here, right? We need something like this happening right now. We get something like that, then guess what's coming, right? The beginning of an explosion. And I really do see explosions happening when it comes to gold, because gold, this gold could end up at 3,000, because we've done nothing all this time through here. So gold is one of those sleeping giants that could be getting ready for really big moves. All right, guys. And so again, these are different patterns I'm talking. If you're looking for the exact setups, guys, again, the first link in the description there, guys, go join my webinar. I'll teach you the exact setup, the exact entry candle I'm looking for, the exact pattern I'm looking for to help you when it comes to finding high quality setups. But this is the reason why, guys, today's video was the beginning of the end and the beginning of an explosion.